The Total Control Products Front Coil Spring Suspension Kit is a fully adjustable suspension system that utilizes the key factory mounting locations to greatly simplify installation. With over 18 years of production, development, and testing, the TCP suspension components comprise the most mature and refined front suspension system available for vintage Mustangs and other classic Fords. You can be assured of exact fit installation, bind-free operation, effective and predictable suspension tuning changes with unmatched strength and performance. The all-new exclusive True Center pivot sockets and tubular suspension components provide extremely precise control over the spindle's travel arc with linear resistance. Suspension geometry improvements include lower center of gravity, higher roll center, reduced vehicle roll rate, quicker negative camber gain, increased compression travel, reduced rebound travel to limit body roll, and correct axis and length of lower arm assembly, all while utilizing factory mounting positions. A brand new Total Control Products exclusive billet aluminum offset pivot shaft option enables precise relocation of the upper control arms for improved camber gain geometry without the need to drill more holes in the shock towers. Another new option to the TCP suspension kit is the VariShock's Quick Set 4 Coil-Over shocks, offering 4-way adjustability and a remote reservoir with 2 sets of 16-position knobs to adjust bump and rebound independently at high and low piston speeds. For more information on all of the amazing suspension options available, go to TotalControlProducts.com.